Hello, and I will be teaching you how to make a simple doorbell in Minecraft. Here. Very simple. The light blue, when activated, light blue will activate when the button is pressed over there. Sorry for the mistake. And the orange one will make the sound when pressed. Also, you need to remember 7-Eleven. It will be important. Here's what you'll need: 2 redstone dust, a button, 3 redstone repeaters, 2 dirt, 2 note blocks. Here, very simple. First, remove this and put the redstone there. Put it back, and the button anywhere on this block can do. Then a redstone repeater here. That is done for this system. Now moving on, the orange one. 2 repeaters here. Put this on 4 ticks. Some dirt right there. Redstone. And here's what you'll need the 7-Eleven for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See? So simple. I will be testing out the doorbell. As you saw before my intro, that this design works. Here. Heard that? Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next episode.